First line, when can you ship the acid you sold to us last month? We are as busy as we can be just now, and the delay is causing much annoyance to our customers as well as loss to ourselves. Second line, you can rely on receiving the acid in 2 days. It will leave this city tomorrow and we assume it will reach you the next day. We must apologize for the delay. Owing to the heavy losses caused by the fire at our factory last month, our stocks became too low. We are making up for lost time as fast as we can.